The exercise, double straight leg stretch. The setup, laying down on the mat looking up at the ceiling. Hug your knees directly into your chest, curl your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, stack your hands behind your head, and place the thumbs at the base of your neck. With your elbows wide and your shoulder blades off the mat, your legs are glued together and your heels are pushing away from the body. The movement, taking your legs down in 3 segments. Keep your legs glued together, squeezing from your seat, engaging your lower abs. What you want to look and feel for here is you're going to feel extremely active in your legs. You're going to feel extremely active in the lower part of your abs. Another very important safety tip here is you only want to take your legs as low as your lower back allows. So if you feel your lower back peeling off the mat, don't go as far.